I cannot believe it's been 3 years since me, Dr. Arif and Team Neuropedia had a vision to make an unparalleled center of pediatric neurosciences in the country. I'm so glad that the team has worked so hard to achieve that. To that effect, we have a little thank you note for the team for all their hard work they have done so far. And this N stands for all the nurturing they have done for the kids to reach for the stars and achieve the best in them. So once again, Team Neuropedia, many thanks to you.
Creating an empathetic world and community for a better tomorrow.
Understanding the plight of today's children and doing our best to help.
We do this by creating an environment that makes children self-assured and confident.
Restoring hope, vitality and happiness for childhood days.
Bringing the best outcomes for families and children through expert care.
Passion makes the world go round. We embody this every day.
Elevating individuals to do their best, no matter what the situation.
We always aim to meet the exceptional standard that our patients require.
Neuropedia team puts in tremendous effort in developing children into incredible leaders of the future generation.
Encouraging behavior that molds wonderful members of society with a high quality of life.
We aim to inspire everyone who walks through our doors.
When our patients and their parents are happy, it is our greatest accomplishment.
On behalf of all Neuropedians, I would like to say that although we cannot guarantee 100% success in every child that walks through this door, what we can guarantee is that every Neuropedian will give his or her 100% every time they see a child. In doing so, we earn immense satisfaction and get inspired from every child's success. On the occasion of our 3rd anniversary, we Neuropedians would like to promise that we will keep striving to achieve our best and bring out the best possible outcome for your children in the years to come.